How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we are going to do an ab workout. The exercise that I've chosen is pretty good. It's a little bit more harder than the normal exercises that we do, but we're gonna give her a go. Let's get started right now. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training, simply comment below in the comment section. We'll get back to you with more details. Click it. Oh, wow, there's a dog. Who would have guessed? Okay, the exercise that I have chosen is going to be windshield wipers. So to do that exercise, it's a little bit tougher. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get into this position, and then puppy's right in my face. So we're gonna get into this position, and all we're gonna do is move our legs to the side, like this. We're gonna do 5 repetitions on each side. So that's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just like that. It is a little bit harder to do. Put your hands underneath your bum to give you a little more support. That's all there is to it, my friends. This exercise is a very good exercise. Again, puppy, your head, puppy. Hopefully you guys don't mind the dog in the video. Comment below. Let me know what you think about the dog in the video. She's pretty cool. But I know some people may not like her, but yeah. It is Halloween today, my friends. This video is not pre-recorded. Usually what I'll do is I'll pre-record my videos so they're scheduled. This one's not. This is actually Halloween. So you may hear some doorbell rings shortly. That means the kids are trick-or-treating. Oh, you're so cute. Why are you so cute? Okay. Oh, she's putting her paw up. She's like, no, you can't do this. But I must. I must for the subscribers. 1, 2, 3. And again, your feet don't have to touch the floor. As long as you're twisting and you're feeling your abs working. That's all there is to it. You should be able to feel your abs being worked, my friends. We're going to take a minute break, just because a minute rest periods are optimal in my opinion. That's what I think is the best. But yeah, it's a tough exercise, I'm not going to lie. It's a lot harder than the exercises that we normally do, but sometimes it's good to switch things up, give you guys a little bit harder things to do. That way it keeps your body guessing, it shocks our body. Okay guys, let's do it again. This position. 1, 2, try not to hurt the dog. 3, 4, 5. Again, really, it's a tougher exercise. It's even tough on me, you guys, so do your best. That's all you can hope for. I don't know why the dog keeps smelling me. Maybe I smell. She's like, yeah, you smell. She's got her Halloween jammies on too. But yeah, comment below. Let me know what you guys think about me talking, the dog in the video, stuff like that. I do try to make my videos as professional as possible, but I mean, you gotta have some fun, right? She's barking at me. She's like, why aren't you paying attention to me? See? You gotta always pay attention to her. It's barking on my camera. But yeah, this exercise does hit the obliques pretty hard because of that twisting motion that we are doing. Let's do it again. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that, my friend. Probably a mistake, but I'm having a large coffee at 4:30. So it's 4:30 right now, or 4:45, whatever. I work tomorrow in the morning, so this could be a big mistake. But guess what? I'm going to make videos. I'll also tell you guys something else really cool coming up. Woo! Okay, let's do it. 1. Stomach. 2. Oh, dog's gotta get out of the way. She needs to know when there's ab exercises going on. 4, 5. Just like that. So what I will be doing, and I'm not gonna be advertising it a lot right now because I haven't started it yet, but I will be creating another channel. It is going to be a reaction channel. Now I know some people hate that. That's why I'm not going to do it on this channel. This channel's 100% fitness. That's why I'm making the other one. The reason why I'm making the other one too is because, geez, I think I hit the dog again. When you make YouTube videos, especially fitness videos, the most you can make in a day, maybe 2 or 3 videos. Now for me, I love making videos. And before, back what I used to do, probably for 4 or 5 months, I was uploading 8 to 16 videos a day. That did not do good. I wasn't getting views because the duration of the videos were too short. But with reaction videos, you can make 8 videos a day, and that's kind of normal. So you can make 10, 12 videos if you want. I know a lot of people that are making 8 videos per day for their reaction channel. So I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Again, I'm not gonna start advertising it yet, but I will let my subscribers know that I'm doing that just in case they wanna check out some of my videos. 2, 3, 4, 5. Dog's sitting right underneath me when I'm doing these windshield wipers. Ah! Then she looks at me like, what did I do wrong? You could have got hurt. But yeah, I think it's going to be really cool. It's something that I'm passionate about, is making YouTube videos. Eventually, I may even make another channel where I do food videos, or I do eating challenges. That's really cool. I like doing that. I've done a couple on this channel, but nothing too crazy. But yeah, I like making videos, and I want to do more with, not with this channel. This channel is perfectly good. Last month I got 1.5 million views. So you guys are loving the content. I'm going to keep it that way, not touching the fitness videos, but I am going to start doing other things as well. The one thing I'll tell you another thing when we're done. Oh, cute puppy, cute puppy. Oh, trick-or-treaters, guess what? Making a video, can't get it. Dogs are gonna go nuts every time that the doorbell rings. Last set, let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. End of the video, you guys. Great job if you guys follow along with the whole thing. Apologize, the trick-or-treaters are starting now, so it is going to get a little bit noisy. Good thing the video is done. Comment below, let me know what you thought of the exercise. It's pretty hard to do. Do your best. Your feet don't actually have to touch the floor. It's very hard for your feet to actually touch the floor when you're doing it, but go as low as you can. You guys could see that I was going about halfway down. That put a really good stretch on my obliques, and I felt it in my abs as well. So that's all you can do. Very good exercise. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.